Namaste. Today in this video you can see how I am making dal makhani by using easy recipes. So here I have used 1 cup urad dal, then half cup rajma and 1/4 cup like chana dal. So all this dal I soaked in water overnight. So we can soak it for overnight or for 8 to 10 hours, like that also we can soak it. So now the next step is we have to cook all this dal in pressure cooker. For 1 whistle on high heat we have to cook this dal. So now I am adding water. Now I am adding little salt and also I am adding little oil. Now put the lid. So now I will cook this dal on high flame for 1 whistle. I am going to cook this. After that, so now I am making a paste of 3 tomatoes, 15 garlic cloves. I am using here 15 garlic cloves, then ginger and 3 chilies, green chilies I am using. So like this we have to grind tomatoes. I have used 3 tomatoes, ginger, garlic and green chili. So this paste is ready. So as you can see, this dal is cooked nicely now. We have to mash it a little bit. So now I am preparing this dal. I heated this kadai. Now I am using 1 spoon butter. So you can even use ghee or oil. So in that I am using 1 teaspoon cumin seeds. This onion. You have to cook this onion till it looks translucent. In khada masala I am using this big elaichi and cinnamon stick only. Add little turmeric powder. So with hot rice, chapati, you can have this dal. So friends, you can see my dal makhani is ready. I hope you will like this dish. You can serve this dal makhani with hot rice, chapati.